Hello friends, my name is Uttam Das and it's class 11 first chapter cost sheet, and today we starts with the basics of cost sheets. That is the main format which will be made in questions and exams, and the format which will give the brief idea about the cost sheets. Let's start friends. You can see a tabular form we have already made, and we start with from beginning. At first we have to give the heading, that is statement showing computation of cost sheets dash 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 means the name of the company we have to put for the period mentioned in question. And at very first there are 5 stages. First stage is prime cost stage, that is the stocks and the direct expenses and direct labors. At first, opening stock of raw material, you can see opening stock of raw material we have to put, then the purchases of raw material we have to add both, then deduct closing stock of raw material from there, and then we have to deduct the return of raw material to the supplier which we have not used in our production process, and the abnormal losses we have incurred in the production process we have to deduct also. And then we have got raw material consumed, and then we have to add the carriage or freight or duty brokerage of raw material. Then we have to add the productive or direct wages, that is the labor work produced in our factory or not factory, in the direct manufacturing process. Then we have to add the chargeable or direct expenses, the expenses which are directly related to the production process, that we have to add. Then we have to add the electricity, then royalty on production, that's we got prime cost. Then comes the next step, that is factory overhead. In factory overhead we have to add and write all the expense related to a factory process, that is the depreciation of all machinery assets used in factory, insurance of factory assets, factory rent, factory indirect material we have used in factory, fuel and power, factory electricity, you have to add all this. Then we have to add opening stock of work in progress. What is opening stock of work in progress? Suppose you have done some work, you have started some work in previous year which had not complete due to some reasons, or the year ends coming, and we have already finished the work 50% or 70%. Then we have to write that portion only in the opening stock of work in progress. Then we have to deduct the closing stock of work in progress. Same theory, if you have started the work in this year and which hadn't complete due to the reason and the year end comes, the portion which had already completed in this year we have to deduct closing stock of work in progress from there. Then we have to add all this, we got factory cost or work cost, that is the prime cost and the factory overhead. Both addition we got factory cost or work cost.